Hi everyone, in this video we will compare PhotoPrism and Immich. PhotoPrism and Immich are both self-hosted photo management tools that help you organize, view, and back up your images, but they each take a slightly different approach and suit different needs depending on what you're looking for. PhotoPrism is known for being stable, powerful, and feature-rich. It can automatically organize your photo using face recognition, location tagging, and smart filters. It works well with raw image files and integrated with Nextcloud, making it a good fit for photographers or users with large photo libraries. It has a clean web interface and lets you search by date, location, and even job recognition. But it can be a bit heavy on system resources, especially when indexing a large collection. And the initial setup may take a little time if you're new to self-hosting. Immich is a newer but growing fast. It focuses more on mobile-first users and real-time photo syncing. The best part? Immich can instantly back up photos from your Android or iOS device, just like Google Photos. It supports live uploads, albums, and face recognition. The interface is slick and simple, and it's much lighter and faster compared to PhotoPrism. However, it's still under active development, so a few advanced features might not be as polished or available yet. So overall, PhotoPrism is better for users who want advanced search tools, face and object recognition, and deep organization features, especially if you're managing a large photo collection. Immich is better for users who want fast, real-time photo backups from mobile and an easy-to-use, modern interface. If you're coming from Google Photos and want a privacy-focused, mobile-friendly replacement, Immich is a great choice. If you're a power user or photographer with detailed photo shorting needs, PhotoPrism may be more suited for you. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.